Hi, this video is to show you guys some stuff you might know how to do in your TI calculator, how to do it in Desmos to help you out with some of your probability and statistics. So most of this stuff you're going to find under the functions right here. So I've gone to desmos.com. If you're in the app, it's in pretty much the same place. If you look for functions, the first thing I wanted to show you is under stats. If you look here, you should see two things that are familiar, which are NCR and NPR, and those will give you your combinations and permutations. So if I want to do like a 5 choose 2, I would just type it in like that and it would tell me 10. Or if order mattered with the permutation, you can do 5 choose 2 and it'll give you the 20 there. The maybe new thing is the binomial distribution. So instead of going to stats, which there's a whole bunch of other stats you can see there, you're actually going to go to distributions, and we're going to do a binomial distribution. So then if you look right here, it pretty much tells you what you put in there. How many trials you're doing. So let's say I'm going to flip a coin 100 times. And I want to, like I said, I'm flipping a coin. So the probability I get heads, let's say, is 50%. When you look at the graph of that, it looks like everything's flat. And that's because it's given as a percentage. So everything is less than 1. If you click this little magnifying glass here, it says zoom fit. And then it'll give you that actual distribution that you're probably more used to seeing. Then to figure out each of those probabilities, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can just click any one of these dots. So that says I have a roughly 2% chance of getting 42 heads if I flip this coin, or a 5.8% chance of getting 54 heads if I flip this coin. Let's say there's a specific number you're looking for, maybe 72. If you type in x equals 72, it'll graph that line, and you can just look where it intercepts. So 72, there's pretty much a 0% chance of getting 72 heads. If I flip a coin 100 times, let's do something a little bit more likely, like 56. There's a 3.9% chance that you'll get 56 heads. So that's for the binomial PDF, is what you would see in your textbook or in your TI calculator. If you want the cumulative, the CDF, you can just click this little checkbox there, and it asks you basically what do you want it to go from. So let's say I want to find the probability of 46 heads or fewer. That would be from 0 to 46, and it tells me I have a 24% chance of getting 46 heads or fewer. Maybe I want to know 58 or more. So I say 58 to my max was 100. And that tells me there's a 6.7% chance of getting 58 or more heads on that coin toss. Whenever you're looking for anything, I would first check this over here. One thing to watch out for is we're not actually looking at these PDF and CDF. We're looking at the binomial distribution. You don't have to go into that menu every time. If you just remember this, you can actually type it in and just do the same thing. So let's say I wanted to do, I want to find the probability out of 352 days that it rains in a place that has a 60% chance of rain every day. I could do that same thing and it'll give me that there. Okay, hope that helps.